Okhona ukwethembeka kwakho entweni zokhona akwenzeli wena kuphela but ukwenzela nendlu yakho. Yeah, because uzobheka chapter 7 uzothi kwathi eseqedile ukuyakha indlu yathi uNkulunkulu Noah ngena wena nani nendlu yakho ungene kubi khona emkhundweni ababiza bonkulowa abakeli nganabe. Inherited diseases, inherited curses, and again we can touch on inherited, and that blessing need to be worked by faith. Amen.
Amen.
Every one of us drawing a line. Amen. So lezi zinto engibalayo by faith. The verse, the last line. By faith, Noah feared the Lord, kwazokabalelwa kuye ukulunga. And mind you, ngengathi by faith through Christ. Amen. Through Jesus Christ, I am the righteousness of God. But righteousness was not yet counted at that time. Yeah. But Noah tapped into isikhathi sika Jesu singakafiki. Are you getting me? Wangena kwi season engabalelwa kubantu. Ngenxa yokukholwa he tapped into that place that is called the righteousness. By the act of faith. He was not trying to, but he started to declare prophetically the time that was coming. Let young father welcome more. Are you getting this? All in all, I'll say to you,